Hello everyone, I hope you're good, I hope you're doing fine, I hope you're okay. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's a one and only City Boy MJ. Today I'm going to share with you a story of a very inspiring young man who's doing a very great job. I feel that it's very appropriate for me to come and share this story for you. But before I continue, please do me a favor. If you're new in this channel, like the video, subscribe, for you to be part of this awesome family and for you to support this movement of we can make it in wherever place we are, provided it's Africa, it's Kenya, we can make it. And as I was saying, I always feel very inspired, I always feel very motivated wherever time I come across an individual with a story that is very mind-blowing. He's creative, he believes that he can make it wherever place that you are, regardless of the situation, the circumstances. He's trying to do it. So come with me, MJ, and we get to see what this young man is doing.
yangu si ati nipate pesa. No. What makes me happy, it is not the money actually.
It is the service.
Seeing my customer is happy and he want to come back again. Unaona? Hata heri anilipe 200 and then akam kesho na akuje na customer mwingine. Rather than kulipa 1k na hajafurahia and then he will not come back again.
And he'll never come back. Hello my friend, how are you doing?
Fiti sana.
Uko poa kabisa?
Yeah.
So acha tu nikuuliza swali moja. How do you feel kila time ukikama hapa ukiona job yako morning tu ukitoka kwa nyumba ukikuja hapa, how do you feel?
This job, hii ni kitu napenda kufanya.
So
for me it's not like it's my job. It's not like a job to me. It's something that I love. One of my hobbies yani. I love working at this place. Like naonanga tu hizi magari tu ni kama yangu. So naifanyanga kazi ni kama yangu.
Kazi ni kama yangu.
So whenever I'm here, me I do feel I'm home.
You feel relaxed yani.
I feel relaxed.
Do you believe that Africa is the future?
Africa.
Do you believe that Africa is the future? Like the youths of Africa are capable of doing
okay.
Do you believe that?
Yeah. But that is if they can get out of their comfort zone. Na waache kuchagua kazi.
Kuchagua kazi.
Like najua it's not like that umesoma. I cannot do this, I can do that. I can do naweza fanya tu hivi. I can only work kwa department yenye mimi nimesomea. I think if they
should be flexible.
You can do any work.
You can do any work.
Bado ukigoja ile yako yenye umesomea.
Very true.
We can work on that.
Very true.
Aimanzi tutakuwa mbali.
Very true. Let me ask you something. Does it take a lot of money to start this business? Does it? Do I need? Is it capital intensive? Do I need a lot of money?
Okay. You know it depends. Like you can start. Okay, unaweza anza na hii kazi, si lazima ukuwe na pressure machine. Because that pressure machine it will really cost you a lot of money. But unaweza sema you can start with bucket. Unajua unaweza anza na bucket. Sasa hizo bucket ukusanya kidogo kidogo, you save. And then ujipate umenunua machine. So the amount of money you need to start this business approximately is 50,000.
So if you have 50,000, you are capable of starting the business. 50,000, is it that the appliances like the tools, the pressure and the buckets, or 50,000 plus the
not including pressure machines? Because pressure machine itself it costs it's 60k.
60k.
That is
so that 50,000 not together with the just to starting the business.
Just to start the business. Kutoka pale kwa ground unaona. So hiyo ni that is kama hujaweka fences na nini. Na hiyo ni yenye unajua hii rand ni this hii plot ni kulipa na lipa.
Get it.
Because kitu ya kwanza lazima utafute shamba, ya stima lazima uwekewe. Like maji is a compulsory here. Naona because hii kazi yetu
ni maji.
Deal na maji. So 50k can do.
50k can do. Let me ask you something. And what is the most challenging thing that you always face on this business?
The challenging thing, okay, hakuna kazi yenye nanga challenges zake. You see, like here,
very true.
Here you unajipata you have done your best, unaona. Yaani unaona umeng'arisha gari vizuri, unaona, but unapata customer amekuja, he is not satisfied, and you feel yani mafituko down, na vile gari ilikuja, and then you have tried your best, umetumia shampoo, umetumia polish, alafu msee anakwambia haijang'ara vile alikuwa
haijang'ara, it's not yet clean the way you want.
Na mimi furaha yangu si ati nipate pesa, no. What makes me happy, it is not the money actually,
it is the service.
Seeing my customer is happy and he want to come back again, unaona, hata heri anilipe 1k na hajafurahia, and then he will not come back again.
He'll never come back again.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you something. Now that I can see it's a car wash and it's going on very well, and the business is really on a hype, let me ask you something. If you have maybe another plan, maybe you can include something like car paint, something like customization of the cars in future. Do you have something like that in your mind?
Actually, my idea is naweza taka kutafuta nini ingine, shamba ingine ikuwe ni kama yadi ya kuuza magari. Yeah, so something of the so like ni kama company hivi ikuwe inauza magari, carpets, all those things.
Okay, I really get you. Amen. It will happen. Let me ask you something.
In God we trust.
Yeah, in God we trust. Is it profitable? Is the business profitable?
Of course it is. Like for instance, in a day ukitumia maji mingi sana, labda utumie 150. Unaona? Na hiyo ni umetumia
150. When you say 150,
I'm in terms of cash.
In terms of cash.
In terms of cash. Ukitumia maji mingi sana yenye unaweza tumia, huwezi zidisha 150. Na kama uko na hii pressure yangu machine, huwezi tumia more than 100 in a day, unaona? So in a day unaweza pata umepata kitu kama 2k ama 1500. That is ile tu ina range tu hapo. So ukideduct pesa yako, unaona you have something there.
It's a good amount of money. If you had one chance to change something in Kenya right now that you think is not going well, maybe in Kenya, in Africa, if you had that chance, what could it be? What can you change?
You know, you cannot change anything. You cannot change. What you can only change, it is the mindset.
It is the mindset.
Yeah.
Very
so
true,
the problem with the young youth and the problems with a lot of people, it is the poverty of the mind. I call it that, because unapata now because you have a degree that huwezi kuja hapa uoshe gari. As you're waiting for a job, whereas unaweza kama hapa ufanye kazi hata kama ni 2 years, and then ile kazi ikikuja itakupata already usha move on. Because unaweza jipata hiyo kazi yako umepata, uko na do and you have no idea ni business gani inaweza weka, unaona. So unaweza work place kama hii ujipate umeweka kaoshe yako and unapata pesa mzuri
kama unaongojea bado hiyo job.
The thing is I think it's the mindset.
It is the mindset.
Because tunataka tu, we want to be rich. Unaona? Tunataka tu amke and then be successful. Unaona? It's a rather unafaa unaenda one step at a time.
One step at a time. Yeah. So let me just say like this. You know, this video is going to be watched by so many young people, and maybe some of them are looking forward on putting a car wash like this one or a job like related to this job. So what can you advise them? What message can you give to them?
Okay, when you're starting a business, huwezi enda tu kama ati umeanza kupata profit. You see, so the thing is take risk. Any business that you want, you know, you can fail, but that doesn't mean that you may fail. You cannot try again. Me, I've tried a lot of things. Nimesomea stima na nini, but nikaona is it a must ati nikuwe employed? Unaona?
It's not really a must to be employed.
Sinaweza jiandika mimi mwenyewe. So whenever you are starting any business, anza tu pale chini, unaona. Na kuna time inafikanga unajipata hesabu haziingiani, zote zinachukuliwa tu na job.
It's a normal thing in business.
So you have to accept the challenges, the way venye tu zitakuja.
Yes.
And then ukue tu positive.
Yeah. So let me ask you, how many employers do you have?
For now nimeandika mtu mmoja because unajua pia mimi najifanyia kazi.
Yeah, very true.
So I don't just sit there
and watch while the job is being done.
Mimi wanga naosha tukua na yeye.
That's a good leadership. You know, they say leadership lead by example. So you cannot sit down and just watch while the job is being done because you're a boss.
I do it myself.
I think that's a mentality that most of the Africans have. They just assume that because you just gained something, you won't work, and you just sit down and start giving out orders, blah blah blah. You see, that's not a good thing. So what is the last thing that you can tell the youth who are watching you right now? What can you tell them?
My advice to you is just because you are runned and okay, wacha tu niache na mambo ya runned because kuna watu wamesoma na wanapata job mzuri. Okay, let's say uko tu hapo nyumbani, your background is not good, huwezi shinda tu hapo ukigroom mamako. Especially if you are on your 20s, it's high time to pull up your game. Unaona? Sasa tunakaa hapo sijui nangoja madhe sija kusupport na nini. Go hata tafuta hiyo mzee manze. Unaona? Kuchapa hiyo mzee, save money. Spend less, save more. Unaona? Spend less, save more. And then kuwa na ideas ya job yenye unaweza fanya. Unaona? So I think that one
it can really help them.
Hiyo ndio tu. Juu manze majuzi wenye wako sahi wanataka tu kuajiriwa. So wakwe tu free tu, unaweza fanya kazi any na ukwe tu na okay, you are searching new ideas, unaweza anza kazi gani, unaweza fanya nini.
Try everything. And how did it all start? How did it all start that you find yourself in a car wash? How did it's you're not a magician? It's like you did just wake up in the morning and you said I want to put a car wash. There must be something. How did it go?
Okay, what I did back in 2017 so hapo ndo nilimaliza campus and then I was looking for jobs. Alafu napata kazi yenye tumepoa ya stima. Manzi hao wasi wanatufanyisha kazi ngumu, hakuna lunch, sometimes hatupei pesa ya lunch. So tulikuwa tunajipata at the end of the day uko na so tano na mnatumia fare kurudi. Na mazao watu yani unafanya kazi umechoka. Naona, and they don't care. No one care about you. Ama umechoka ama hujachoka. And tomorrow, very early in the morning, you have to go to
to report to the job.
So mimi nikaona yenyewe ni kosa yangu. But hapa wananifinyilia sana. Juu tulienda ikafika at a point sasa hatulipwi. So tunafanya tu kazi ya bure. Inabidi umeanza kurudi mfuko yako unaambia madhe nichote kitu fulani. So nikaachana na hiyo kazi nilikuwa nauza maji. Na uko shazi na punda na nini. Nikaona pia hiyo kazi iko sawa. Lakini sasa huku kwenye niko sasa niko na brother yangu huku. So nikamwambia huku ni kubaya, is there anything I can do huko? Unaona? So yeye ndiye alinipeanga idea akaniambia tunaweza jaribu, though we don't know how it will work, but you can start something like car wash. Unaona? Aliniambia car wash, kuna car wash ilifungwa mahali fulani, unaweza enda uone kama itawaka. Kama itawaka tutajua vile tutafanya. So vile nilikamu huku mimi nikaanza kuosha magari. I had no idea gari wanga zinaoshwa aje. So mimi nikamwambia na yeye akaenda akanisaidia vile alinisaidia. So nikaanza kuosha magari na nikaanza kupata customers. Unaona, so nikaona hii yenyewe kazi sijaripwa na mtu. Siku ya kwanza niko na so yangu tano. No, what else do I need?
I think your brother deserves a clap for that. I think he deserves a clap for that. I like brothers that support each other.
He really supported me with his wife. They supported me. Actually, they has been the pillars of this job. Unaona, wao ndio waliniguide wakaniambia. So na mimi nikaitikia. Nilianza tu pale chini nikakuja nikanunua machine.
You know, there's a say that goes by no man is an island.
No
man is an island.
Of course.
You must have somebody who catches your hand and shows you the way. So it has been very nice having you, my brother. Thank you so much for the good work that you're doing. Continue, keep up the job, and don't give up.
And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, to show what I do.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Poa.
So my people, it's been your boy MJ, and do me a favor if you're new in this channel, like the video, share the video so that people can know what is going on around here, and please subscribe the channel for you to be part of this awesome family. Thank you.